All right, I'm just putting the top of my pre-baked cake down into my pan and gently pressing that down. We just used butter and sprinkles on the outside. Now I've got this fun peppermint light ice cream. Now I did let this soften. So she's a little more soft on top, but I think this is gonna work out perfectly for our purposes. And I think you could use, a red colored ice cream in here too. I just wanted to use a peppermint. So festive for the holiday season. All right, now since this is softened, we are just gonna start spreading our peppermint ice cream here into an even layer. And we might be adding a little bit more. We'll just have to see, play with this. But you can use any flavor you like. This doesn't have to be just for Christmas, but I thought it would be very special to make a fun Christmas version of this. I've made this for birthdays and other holidays, high school graduations, and it's just such a fun, delicious, easy dessert that everyone loves. And it kind of is one of those ones, seems like you bought this from Baskin Robbins or one of those fancy ice cream shops. But the cool part is you can just make this at home and then you can totally customize it. Now, my favorite food that goes with peppermint is chocolate, and especially dark chocolate. So I'm gonna put a layer of chocolate chips in here. You could also do a layer of melted chocolate and, let that freeze and harden back up. I think that could be really fun and delicious too. But I am just using my good old-fashioned dark chocolate morsels and just popping them in here just like that. Ooh, that looks great. And now I've got the bottom half of my cake here. As you can see, I just gave this a cut straight down or straight across the center there. And now we've got our beautiful dessert assembled. I'm gonna pop this in the freezer for a couple hours and then let's see how it comes out. Alrighty, we had our cake chilling in the freezer for a couple hours. Now I'm just gonna grab my plate right here and place it on top. Woo! And we're gonna give her a little flip. And there is the final result. Our beautiful Christmas cake almost looks like a Christmas donut with that peppermint ice cream in the middle. Wow. I'm just gonna cut myself a slice here. Oh, this just screams winter to me. Look at that. Gorgeous. I cannot wait to try a bite of this. Our peppermint ice cream, those chocolates, our yellow cake with sprinkles. Winter Wonderland. You gotta try it.